Hello and welcome to ACPE's Guide for Troubleshooting Your StudentAid.gov account. If you have forgotten your login information to access your StudentAid.gov account, which you need in order to be able to access and complete your FAFSA, don't worry, we'll walk you through the options available to gain that access. If you've received this notice that you've incorrectly entered your username or password when logging into your account, you now have multiple options to regain this access by following these steps. We will first start with recovering your username. From StudentAid.gov/login, click Forgot My Username. It is important to note that you don't need your username to log into your account. If you want to log in that way, you can click Return and use email or phone. However, if you want to recover your username, you can click the top link to do so. From there, you will see multiple options for this process. First, you can choose to recover your username with your mobile phone. First, enter your mobile phone number and your date of birth. A secure code will be sent via text message. Once you receive the code, enter it in the box provided and click Continue. By successfully entering in the secure code, you will recover your username. Next, you can utilize your account's verified email address to recover your username. First, you will need to enter your verified email address and date of birth. After receiving the secure code via email, enter it in the space provided and click Continue. Your username will then be displayed and you can continue to log into your StudentAid.gov account. You can also recover your username if you downloaded and set up the Federal Student Aid Authenticator app previously. To retrieve your username using this app, you must enter in your last name, social security number, and date of birth. You will receive a secure code on the app. Enter that code in the box and click Continue. Your username will then be displayed. Lastly, you can retrieve your username by answering 2 of the 4 challenge questions you selected when creating this account. First, enter your last name, social security number, and date of birth. Then you will be prompted to answer 2 of the challenge questions. Please note these answers are not case sensitive. Upon successfully answering the challenge questions, your username will be displayed. Next, we will go through the process to reset your password. First, from the login screen, click Forgot My Password. Then you will be prompted to enter your email, phone number, or account username and your date of birth. From here, click Continue. You will then follow the same options identified to retrieve your username to access a secure code and then reset your password. After selecting any of the 4 options and entering in the secure code you've been sent, you can create a new password. The password must be between 8 and 30 characters with 1 upper and 1 lowercase letter, along with 1 number. Please also keep in mind that you cannot use a password previously used on the account. If you do so, you will receive an error message and will be prompted to input a different password. It is important to note that passwords are also case sensitive. And for account security purposes, do not include your name, date of birth, or social security number in your password. After meeting this criteria, your password will successfully be reset and you can log in to your StudentAid.gov account. If you now have no access to the Authenticator app, text messages, verified email, or challenge question answers, you can recover your account access with a photo ID. There will be a delay of 15 minutes for security purposes if you take this route. To recover your account using a photo ID, you'll have 5 steps to complete that we will review next. To recover your account with a photo ID, first you will be prompted to enter your first and last name, date of birth, and social security number. You will then need to enter a new account email and a new account mobile phone number. After clicking Submit, you will receive a text message that includes a link to upload your US photo ID for verification. After this has been verified, your account will be recovered after this initial security delay for access. Next, if you need to unlock your account because you have had too many unsuccessful login attempts, you can utilize one of the 4 options listed in front of you. Use the Authenticator app, mobile phone, email, or answer challenge questions. The process here is the same as we went over in previous sections. With any of these options, you will also need to validate your date of birth. If you're logging into your StudentAid.gov account and do not have access to your previously established 2-step verification method, after logging in on the screen, click Help me access my account to utilize either your backup code or answer challenge questions. You will be prompted to enter in the backup code established when you first created your StudentAid.gov account and answer 2 of your 4 challenge questions. Please note, after successfully following these steps, you will be provided a new backup code for one-time use in the future. After doing this, please click Continue. Here you will need to read the security notice agreement and click Accept. You will then be prompted to enable the 2-step verification method and verify your contact information provided, being mobile phone and email. You will also be prompted to use or set up the Authenticator app if you choose to do so. From here, you will click Continue. After successfully completing these steps, you will receive your new backup code to keep in a safe place and receive this message reflecting that your account's 2-step verification is successfully enabled. If you need additional assistance accessing your StudentAid.gov account because these various options have not worked for you, please contact Federal Student Aid. You can call, email, or even live chat from the StudentAid website listed here. We hope you find this troubleshooting video helpful and encourage you to also check out ACPE's other FAFSA completion resources at acpe.alaska.gov/Alaska FAFSA completion.